Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Mindrift AI, which is a platform that lets you earn money by working with AI models. If you have ever wondered how to get a remote job online that is flexible, beginner friendly, and doesn't need any technical skills, this could be the opportunity for you. Mindrift connects people like you and me with real work that helps train and improve AI, and they pay you to do it. So I will show you how it actually works, how you can apply for it, what the actual tasks look like, and whether it is worth your time or not. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you can either click on the link that is given in the description of Mindrift AI, or you can also use your web browser and search for Mindrift AI. Now, whichever method you choose, you will be landed on the official website of Mindrift, where you will see their blog section, resources, and about us. So here, if you click on the about us option, you will see this video which you can just listen to, and you will know a lot about what this platform is and who is it for. So here, I'm gonna just let you know in brief that Mindrift is a platform that actually hires people to help improve AI. You will do things here like reviewing the AI generated responses, comparing the answers, giving feedback on how helpful or accurate the AI is. You are also going to write the prompts and correcting AI's mistakes. So these are the tasks that help fine tune the large language models, the kind used in the tools like ChatGPT or search engines. The best part here is that you don't need any coding or any technical skills. They give you full training, and most of the jobs are flexible. You work when you want and from wherever you want. Over here on this page, you will also see that they already have 6,000 plus AI tutors, and they are getting or earning around $300 per week. So here, in order to apply for it, you will have to click on the apply now option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to see some of the active projects for which you can apply, like AI agent assistant, coding Rust, coding Java. So whichever your preferences are, you can select accordingly. So here you need to click on the apply now button right next to it. For example, if I choose AI agent assistant, after clicking on the apply now option, you will be landed on this page. So this is basically the job description of this particular post. They are asking for a freelance AI agent assistant who can do the work remotely, and remember, it is a part-time work. They have given you the description over here which you can just read and make sure that you align with the opportunities or the requirements that they are asking for. If you see that you actually are made for this job and you can just apply for this job, simply click on the apply for this job option and fill out these details. If you already have a resume, you can import it over here and it will autofill your application, or you can also provide your personal information here like your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and your address. Afterwards, you will need to upload your resume file here. Then you can select the cover letter, but you can also skip it because it is optional. Or even though it is optional, I would highly recommend you to provide you the cover letter as well. So this will increase your chances of getting this job. So after filling this form, you will have to click on the submit application option in the bottom. Then after applying for this job, whichever email you are going to use over here, you are going to get the further instructions via that email. After applying, you will usually be sent a qualification test. If you are approved for it, they are going to check your language skills, your critical thinking, and they are also going to basically see whether you can actually do this job or not. It is not too hard, but you do need to pay some attention to the details. So once you are accepted, you get access to your dashboard where all of the tasks are posted regularly. You can pick up your tasks, you can just complete them and get paid on the number and the type of the tasks that you finished. So over here, if you come back on this page and click on this page again, you will see that no active project in your domain. So here in the right hand section, you will see all of the projects that are closing soon, and the priority one are the one that they are searching for very eagerly. Like if you are interested in astronomy, you can just simply apply for that job. Simply click on the astronomy option and provide your CVV, and they are going to basically respond you via the email, and if you get that, you will be able to get your login details. Mindrift actually pays in USD and payments are usually processed monthly. You will need a valid payment method, usually a bank account or a Payoneer, depending on your country. So the best part I like about this particular platform is that it is quite flexible. Remote work, you don't need any technical experience. The tasks are quite simple if you are fluent in English, and it is good for students, freelancers, and who want to earn some side income. Most of the jobs that you find over here will be part-time, so you can easily manage it with the help of your work and if you are doing any full-time job. So this was the complete breakdown on how you can use Mindrift AI. So whether you want to use it, if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.